Hi, this is Ed Hill, Senior Consultant, Masters Roofing, Memphis, Tennessee. We're based in Bartlett. This is a panoramic view of our new $100,000 showroom. And we're going to walk inside and see what is available there to help you. Perhaps you are a homeowner who's looking for something beyond the typical knock on the door, roof inspection, claim, and all of that, and we can help with that for sure. But maybe you're looking for something that's a little more in-depth, educational and professional, and that's why we've built for you, the owners of Masters Roofing have built for you our interactive showroom. It is fully staffed with a large staff that does everything that needs to be done every day, 5 days a week, to handle your roofing project, whether it's from a claim or a bid, dealing with the insurance company, doesn't matter, we do all of that. We've built roofs inside the building where you can see up close what is involved with a real roofing system. And we're going over to the staff office side now. Nobody's here today, that's why I chose today to do this. But you can see that we have a complete setup. We're not the roofing company where the pickup of our truck is our office. We are definitely a large operation, and we can handle any size project, obviously including residential roof projects, but also dealing with commercial properties like apartments, schools, churches. We do all of that. So if you'd like something a little more, a little beyond just picking out a shingle color out of a small little sample book, call me, Ed Hill, Senior Consultant, Masters Roofing, Memphis, Tennessee. My number is 901-359-4165. We'll set an appointment to meet you either at your home or our showroom or both, that's fine. Call me, Ed Hill, Senior Consultant, Masters Roofing, 901-359-4165. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching.